Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Today we have for sale a 1985 Johnson 115, model number J115 TLCO. It is a 20-inch, it's a non-VRO motor, so it's just a fuel pump, so you got to mix your oil and gas on this one. The compression was 110 on each cylinder, which is very good. Lower unit pressure tested good. Comes with the prop, control box, yes, good used one. It's got new plugs, new impeller, new oil in the new lower unit lube. The fuel system's been cleaned. Carbs have been cleaned. What else? That's about it. We'll fire this thing up. Sorry, I'm food drunk. We just had a big Christmas dinner, Christmas lunch, so we're all kind of walking around like zombies around here. It was good though. It'll be a smoker, she's a 2-stroke. And we're also running our winter mix right now. Pump of good water. Nice clean motor for an 85 Minnesota motor. Nice tight motor mounts. Trim and tilt. Blew the milk crate. Only the really good motors blow the milk crate. 2 in a row. And neutral. Could be idled on a little bit. Reverse. Back to neutral. Forward. That was a good one. Turn it off. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com.